Alright, so I'm out here in Columbia for this donut mile, and it's pouring down, raining. I really don't feel like running this thing, but I'm out here. I got this bib, I got this shirt. I'm gonna get this done. We eat these nasty Dunkin' Donuts, and then run this mile and get something good to eat, because I skipped breakfast for this race. But I'm glad I didn't run the 5 or the 10K today, because that would have not been fun, running a 3rd race in a row of a 5K distance or more in the rain. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I see they're taking stuff down, so see where this loop goes to, unless they just decide to cancel the donut mile because of the rain. So let me find this out. All right, gotta grab these nasty donuts, get started. It's gonna be terrible.
It's always that ambitious donut eater. Danny, you
Oh, no.
Go. Clock is running.
I wish you the best. And if your belly hurts, stay committed.
You can do it. All right, before shoulders off, there he goes. Boom, you gotta open your mouth. Jess, can I get you to the start line and carry by yourself up there?
You gotta be finished. Finish that. Finish it up. Finish it up.
Open mouth, Sosha. Open mouth. No. Nothing
Open mouth. Yep. Open mouth.
I can check him out.
Weird.
Good.
Open mouth. This is weird.
Good.
All right, here we go.
Damn, come on, out of there.
Let's get this over with. Yeah, that donut slowed me down already.
It's so thick.
Oh, there he goes. Oh my gosh, that was the quickest donut I've ever seen eaten. It's hard for you to do it when your heart rate's up.
Oh man, that was terrible.
Sean could do it. He's not been trying to do this my whole life.
Number 2.
The walk and eat. Get a little city shake there. Get a little twist. Get it down quicker. Right? There it is. A little turnaround. make sure he proves it. Proves it. He's our leader right now. He is off. We got our leader on his final run loop. He made that look way too easy.
Alright, so this is number 3.
Slowing down. My guy here, number 36, is slowing down. He's holding on to the barricade. Not good. Come on. Who's going to tap out? Anybody going to tap out? No. We're still going strong. He's like, I need you to check my blood pressure. I think he set the record. Last year was like 8 or 9 minutes. Was that you last year? Oh, so you beat your time by your 10 seconds last year. Because they have been training all year for this.
Alright, lap 3. Oh man, that's awful. Yeah, it's like the donut just hits you when you turn the corner. Worst decision I made this year. Wash it down. Feels like I'm running with ankle weights on because the donuts are so filling.
Oh, don't throw up in the back there. Don't throw up. Swallow it. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Nice job. Way to power through.
All right, last one. Last one.
We're waiting on the third place female. I think I see our third place female coming down the line. Here she comes. You better run fast. She's right behind you. The fourth place is right behind you. Come on. I was sitting here right behind you.
I don't know, these donuts like chewing gum. Can't swallow. Come on. Let's get this over with.
It's light work.
Not for me. Not with them donuts. I can't even go faster. Like I'm wearing a weighted vest in my stomach. Come on, you're almost there.
Who's wearing the t-shirt to work on? Nice shot, number 64 with the GoPro camera on. I love it.
Right to the finish line. Oh, that was awful. If this is what it feels to smoke cigarettes, I don't want to ever start smoking. Because that's what it feels like. Whew. Yeah.
Nice job,
that was painful. I don't know. Do I look like a winner? I sure don't feel like it. In my stomach. I feel like I gained probably 10 more pounds.
Don't go anywhere. We want to make sure we give you the award.
Oh man.